Everybody Wants to Be a Cat. One of my childhood favorites.
Everybody wants to be a cat, because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
Tell me everybody's picking up on that feline beat, 'cause everything else is obsolete.
Strictly high button shoes.
A square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born.
Every time he plays.
But with a square in the act, you can set music back
to the caveman days. Jumbles.
I've heard some corny birds who tried to sing,
but still a cat's the only cat who knows how to swing. Who wants to dig along a gig or stuff like that?
When everybody wants to be a cat.
A little disappointing, but we did it.